And now guys, let's be more serious and let me tell you what you need to do to remove the fuel tank from your bike. First, unscrew this and this bolt from your seat and remove the seat. Next, unscrew this big bolt from this part and remove it. Then unscrew all these small bolts. Then unleash this control panel from here. Take the key, remove this cap, put it here or somewhere, I don't know. Remove this thing. Then remove this hose. You'll drop lots of fuel, there will be fuel leaking, etc. Remove this hose from the fuel tank. Remove this wire over here. This this low fuel indicator, and then you can unleash the fuel tank and drop it away, and we'll be having a perfect VTX without the fuel tank.